Hey guys, welcome back to GViz Academy. Alright, so now in our last video we have seen how to create a simple product, right? There was nothing complex. It's as simple as that. Name itself suggests we just need to add product price, product images, set title and description, categories and tags, and that's it. We are done with adding a simple product. This is how you add products to your e-commerce store. Perfect. So that is fine. Now in this video I'll tell you how to add a product type called as grouped product. What is this grouped product? Grouped product in the sense, like, let's say if we run a fashion store where we sell clothes or apparels, right? Fashion store, then we might have different kinds of shirts, hoodies, or jeans, or accessories, right? We can say like this is a category shirts, this is category hoodies, this is category jeans or accessories. But what we can do is, if let's say if I have different kinds of shirts, let's say shirts type 1, shirts type 2, shirts type 3, or shirts type 4, right? And then if I want to group certain products, these are all individual products. Let's say these are all simple products. Shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3, shirt 4. These are all 4 different products. And let's say for hoodies 1, hoodies 2, hoodies 3. Just for nomenclature purpose, I'm just using it in a short name. So I hope you understood. Hoodies 4, right? So these are all individual products. Hoodies 1, hoodies 2, hoodies 3, hoodies 4. These are all different type of product. These different types of hoodies, and we need to add it like as we do it in our last video, how we added our simple products. The same way we add hoodies 1, hoodies 2, hoodies 3, hoodies 4, right? Same way we add shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3, shirt 4, right? And let's say we have accessories, accessory 1, accessory 2, accessory 3. These are all the simple products that we have added. But what if we want to just create 3 menus? I don't want to have multiple. Let's say if this is a store, I don't want to give so many options to my customers and confuse them. Rather, what I need to do is I want to create some product like this, just 3 products. One is shirts, second is hoodies, third is accessories, where they can select whether they want shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3, and quantity also. I'll show you an example. This is a product, right? This is a grouped product. I'll show you. You can tell how. If you click on view product, if you see here, this is a grouped product. This is a description area, right? So here we have added 3 other products as well. Like let's say hoodies with logo, t-shirts, and beanie. So there are 3 products that are grouped and considered as one single product called as logo collection. And here our customer can choose how many hoodie with logo he wants, or how many t-shirts they want, or how many beanies they want, right? And then they can click on add and they can quickly check out. This is what we call it as a grouped product. So for grouped product, what we need is, firstly, we need simple products, simple or variable or affiliate, any products. We need to have products uploaded first, and then create a grouped product. Basically, to simplify this, I can tell you that this is a product where you tag other products as well, right? So you're tagging this particular product, you're tagging this particular product, and you're tagging 3 products over here, so that the customer can come here and they can just see, okay, there are 3 types of products under logo collection, and I can just quickly add these to my cart and quickly check out and pay. Check out, right? So if your customer wants to see more in detail, they can simply click on this t-shirt, this link over here, and they'll be redirected to a product page. It's simple. So this is how you create this grouped product. This is what exactly grouped product means. Basically, you're grouping certain simple products or variable products, or whatever products you have in your store, you're grouping those and creating a new product, so that it helps in faster checkout, right? And now let's go ahead and see how do we create one. So under products, click on add new, and now let's say we build a product called as accessories. Check out latest accessories. Okay, so check out latest accessories. Here this is the grouped product, this is the description, and now this should be grouped product, not single product. As soon as you make it grouped product, all your options are just gone. Here you can add your identification number, or else just leave it blank. And coming to linked products, this is important aspect. Now what I need to do, here we cannot add price to this particular product because this is not exactly a product. This is a group of products, right? This is a bundle package, right? So the customer will select how many quantities or what product exactly they want. So here, if I want to see accessories, let's say what are the accessories that are available in our store right now. If you scroll down here from my categories list, I can see accessories: sunglass, cap, belt, and beanie. So I'll add 4 products to this particular group: sunglass, cap, belt, beanie. Right there, so there are 4 products right now. Now upselling thing, you already know it. I don't want to upsell anything over here right now. So, and the next part is, you can just ignore these aspects as of now. And now if you go to set product image, you can go ahead and select your images, and then under product gallery, if you want to show multiple images, then select your image. Let's keep it 3. Yeah, and then there are categories. You can select categories, clothing, and tags. You can add tags, but as of now, I guess you already know it, what is product categories and tags. Images, galleries are also your perfect now. So yeah, this is how we add group products. And now let's go ahead and publish and see how does it look. Now if you open this product in a new tab, URL, so this is our grouped product where we added this particular image. So check out our latest accessories. The list of accessories are sunglass, cap, belt, and beanies. So if you have t-shirts, check out our latest t-shirts and add all those t-shirts over here, so that they can select which t-shirt they want to add, and they can just check out. And if they want to know more details about that particular product, they can simply click on this link and they'll be redirected to that particular product page. So what is the requirement while you add a grouped product? You need to have products in the first place, and then go ahead and create a group of those products, right? So first, having the products is important, and then you need to go ahead and create a group. So you already know how to add products, and that's why in this video I have just shown you how to create this group. So we have title, price range is being shown, and based on what customer selects, they can just keep it blank. Here they don't want to buy belt or beanie. I just want cap and sunglass. I'll click on add new, and these 2 products will be added to my cart, right? If you click on view cart, and if you see because I have selected beanie, this sunglass and cap, right? And here as well, again, I can select my quantity, and then I can update cart and go ahead and check out. $2,000. If I click on update cart, the price will be updated to $2,400, right? So yeah, this is how we create grouped products, and I hope you also understood what is the importance of creating such product, because it is easier for your users to see what are available, so that you can create a group of products, and it will be easy for customers to navigate and add products to the cart and then check out quickly, right? It just depends upon how you organize your storefront, right? You can add your imagination as well and make imaginative use of this particular feature that is provided by WooCommerce. So if you have any questions or doubts related to group products, please let me know in the comment section below, or you can ask in the discussion forum, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with another type of WooCommerce product type, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.